Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican vibes, Fire Eid. Thank you all for watching my channel. So right now, I'm gonna explore New River in Santa Cruz. Yeah man, you don't know, New River is about 5 minutes drive away from Santa Cruz town. And also in New River on a Sunday morning, you can have your steamed fish with your bami or your crackers. So on a Sunday morning, you can come to New River and have a nice breakfast and enjoy it, okay? So thank you all for tuning to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can kindly do so. Hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. So anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So thank you all for watching my channel. So when you're in New River, you can use that road and also go to Breeze River, also to Elam. So we're having some nice weather today. So you have to be very careful. So you have to look out for all those taxi drivers, also the motorbike. You have to be very careful. So I know many persons cannot get to travel right now because of the coronavirus. So I'm just taking the time out to give you a tour of your community. So we're gonna have some bumpy ride now, so enjoy it. So as it speak, New River, I think they have some rivers around here. So the name speaks for itself. As you can see, a lot of farming take place around here. A lot of pumpkin. So Jamaica is a sweet place, very nice place. No matter where you go, Jamaica is nice. So I'm just gonna remind you, on a Sunday morning, you all can come right in New River and have your steamed fish. It's freshwater fish, so you can get it done with some pumpkin, some okras, and also your bami and festival. So the nearest hospital would be from New River would be Mandeville or Black River. It's about a half an hour drive, or it can be less, all depends on the driving. So I'm gonna make a left turn. I'm gonna take you all where you can get your steamed fish on a Sunday morning. I'm gonna show you the building. So this is the shop on the right. This is where you can come and have your steamed fish on a Sunday morning in New River. I know it have a little bit of road condition and stuff, but if you come here on a Sunday morning, you will never regret it. You will never regret buying a fish right here. But as I said, it's not it's not sea fish, it's river fish, freshwater fish. So it prepared to done to order. So yes, my people, so remember to hit the notification bell and also subscribe for my new videos. I'll be doing some other tours all over, so just subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So in life, we must not forget where we come from. On the countryside, I love my country, sweet, sweet Jamaica. So right now, just reminding you, I'm in New River, in St. Elizabeth. So a lot of rain falling from the other day. So we're getting about 3 days of rain. 3 days straight. Rain like crazy. I know many persons come to Santa Cruz and them always hear about this new river. So I'm giving you a tour. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So hope you all have a blessed day. One love, one heart.